Tumprengalong Caribbean Autonomous Council CEM Dr. Tuliram Rong Hangapan Karichupon. Don Bosco School Musawai Father Jose and Inkemiban Radasai Kede. KSA de la Hadbans are Pugachela and Semikadenga Jame Kepaman Pon. Ketching Siang Deng All Caribbean Under 13s Boy Football Championship 2022 Kang Pupon. Signifying quite a player ni Nizang Caribbean Bitung Rang Hama Mandal Committee at Tumpen Patir Piponsi, Tumpreng Open State along Putha Dr. Tuliram Rong Hang upon CEM Kachapalong Pon to a pod, Bitung Rang Hama Constituency Aratum Caribbean Autonomous Council CEM Dr. Tuliram Rong Hang Pan Karicho Mai Kepaman Pon. Bang So Mai Long Caribbean Autonomous Council CEM Dr. Tuliram Rong Hang Penching Log, Team Caribbean Long Pen Caribbean Long Adang Pialong Anso se Kaching Turamo Klem Pon Jiapan Lam Chak Chipi Pon, Lapen Bang So Mai Long, Kachetong Dun MP Horen Sing Bay, MLA with the Singing Lang, Lapen Non Head Jong Rada Tum Kang Waipon MSC Kedoana Tum Chetong Dun Renti. Helang Pipen Bida Sing Teron Lapen Dong Kamukam Ben Janta Be Report, Malong News. Nizang Caribbean Long Lakhahini Amri MSC Constituency ke Parlo Sawai Delhi Market Pen Sigdama Khaan ka Chelenga Tawar Father Jose Inut Kuru Sarabangpu Havarar Mate Rongara Datum Kedo Kedam ka Chelenga Tawar Mesen Nangji Pora Tawar Ligbuk Libor Along Arlong Sangti Kepapen Labang So Inuda Kuru Sarada Kamate Tebok Terai Kidu Kisung Atumapan Kirap Kipajir Verabang Lan Chotakali Guwahati Damlo Pulutangte Bolero Along Kuno Pak Ting George Thaponsi Sawai Pen Nili ka Chelenga Tawar Adaktame Ligbuk Libor Along Arlong Sangti Kepapleng Titi Alang Linahok Ledo Dam Tame non la puson sai ke klem rada phan ke Japon mate rada sai ke klem atawar peklang pon sawai pen bong imrong pi report Malong News.
Exactly you are doing now.
We are actually, when we see the condition of the road, people are suffering so much. Roads are all with gutters, potholes. We feel very sorry, and nobody else is doing so. Whatever we can, we are doing so that people's life will be made easier, so that whenever we go on the road, people will not find it difficult, all shaking, especially with the sick patients, people all the time moving up and down, lot of road accidents. Wherever we can, at least what we can in the little way, we are trying to make the road all right. That is what we are doing.
So for how many days you are continuing this work?
Oh, we are doing almost maybe some for 5 months. Many places here and there, wherever we see holes, very often when we go with the Gadi, we carry tools. So whenever we can, whatever, at least 2-3 holes, whenever we move on the road, we do, so that people will not find it difficult, especially on the main roads, on the bends and all, big potholes, accidents can take place, no? So we, even if it is at night, we just take the things and do, because PWD is most of the time, they are not so much worried about the condition of the road. Many things are not all right in our district.
We find this road few months back, it was somewhat good, but immediately it went on. What?
Because of the rain condition, flood and all, then continuous rain spoils the road. All of us know that.
Any appeals we would like to say to government?
Government, my only wish is that government should see the plight of the people, and they should really take care of the welfare of the people, especially road communication is very important, more than making many other things. For example, I see the stadium and other things, they are useful, but the most essential thing is health and the road communication. If these two things and education, all these things are all right, the rest of the things will take care of itself. The essential thing, people have to move now, communication, buying things, going here and there, especially when they are sick. People have no big hospitals anywhere nearby in this area, especially our Umsuai, all this Umbanai, all these areas. So we have to go to either Naugong or Guwahati or Jagi Road. So if the roads are very bad, we see the road going to Nedi, so miserable. How to reach there only so difficult. So we find so difficult, and people are suffering. Somehow they make move around, but the government is not bothering so much. They make promises, but they don't fulfill. So whatever we can in the little way, we are doing, nothing more than that, because nobody else is doing. So we feel sorry. So whatever in our capacity, we are doing. That's all. More than this small road, I want them to repair the Nelly Umbanai road. That is the most important. Umgulukunji, or even going to Amsoy. Those are the main roads, where hundreds of gadis are plying every day. These are small roads. Even if they don't do this, at least let them do the main road, which is most essential for all people. Here only few people move around. So this one I don't ask them to do immediately. At least the main road, which is the artery of the road, the most important roads, they must repair. That is my request. If our small roads in the village and if they don't repair, it is not much of a problem. But the main roads has to be done very fast. Sometimes we see people are not really interested in the welfare of the people. People really suffer. The other day there was an accident on the road because that geo you have seen, they have cut the road, but big nalas everywhere. So if the road gives side to another gadi, it is at high risk. So like that road leaving like that is very bad. It is a risk for the people. Plus we are endangering the life of the public who are moving on the road. That is very sad situation in our district. Most of the roads are in a very, very pathetic and poor condition.
Labang saja klub wasing ni pai krenar kep arni kese dilai hatman sampai thang asai hemalong arpu ka celar amai peman sipi ni puthor ni pai wasik engkoi rapliar ni sitame arpu cepek tusi seme ke deng amai peman pong Bidisar Chandra Singh Singnar kese Bokajan Regional Committee Kong Chunmang Nobin Rongpi ex President Hondor B ex Secretary Bhaigot Teron Atum Chetongdun Maipu Bikram Kropen kacari pon amai along aningkan ini aparman arpu ka celar pon lake Chunbang arpu Brojan Hanse Rap Chunbang Dewan Singh B lapen Sarapang Riteron Dunmaipu Abirta Timung lapen Waisong Terang dihin Rimbang Lamding B dihin Chunbang Sonjoy Ingleng lapen kapre ke chokle marpu sipek pon siseme deng pon Maya long ka Chetongdun alhi KSA dela Bidisar Chandra Singh Singnar pen lam theke jai ke Isia song lepude political atum pen ceri nangji matha parsik pa mi pen se ajara keng kamalong ta chejor pa minangji lojarli asong popot logajarli kang thurpona bangke aprang sisi bipon nangpo cherok toka mai ke deng kenang sot logajarli chotkalli si quality education ki PG aphan rong rubalong ta kang thurponji aphan cherok tok klem ponangji pusi ningji pon lapen mayalong ardi dojot pen pravjin pen career counseling lapen school sitame kelang cari dunji aphan kaching bai tami padu pon pupusi chingwai pate pon rostam rong hang report Malong News. Wasing ni pain ko ra player ni anarlo por phai hini ra chete mapor Malong pen Kari Banglong Sport Association atum pen patir pi ponsi adon thu han janglang so Sport Association atum pen deng ponthu kecheng si under 13 boys football championship 2022 han janglang so pathu aklamalong ingpu pon tanglo keche tongdun alu hi aman pen sangpi kadom terang pi MSc Sar Surjorong phar MSc Mr Mudharia Dhekial Phukon MSc Jiban Chandra Pathok Abarim eman par taman pen ke doke theke dinga tum che tongdun rinti kecheng si kapathu pon lake han janglang so Sport Association pen Nilib Sport Association Angbong la solong hanjang lang so Sport Association atum 9 goal pensi chepahai ponlo son se jersey number kritrok Nilib Sport Association pen sarmun thitimong alang le best player anong e hemari tok biari deng pensi pajir pono hanjang lang so manajib sondong pi report Malong News.
Lalu isi kardio lalu isi sport culture donai po bang alam theke lagi tum asiem doktor pada mohon pen kita ni pun renang pun tak cini lo isi alang ni halaman so sport culture donai po kimang pen sia tiarang si kardio sport association jalan sa presiden pasti kalau aku lah kardio sport association along kedoan kita association kita pingka pen sila pohot lam pen kecensi under 13 mana biheka provinsi semahan kepatu dah kita mau pun nanti soalan ke kinang kan lo ambil lalu lasi aku isi mangga election dulu masih kado itu kita menolong ya nol ke association itu kita hanya kalau kita men lah kado itu election hitung para masih belum dakar ini dulu kalau sisi kita mendak dulu aku lang Hindu dok muka dulu atau sekali dengan dulu aku dikutu dulu lo hanya lagi dikutu mualnya ini hanya mang dikutu kalau masih lagi isi kepulah isi healthy sign isi rong semua tu hentamnya patluhin atau patrang punya ke ini dulu cari son primary school cari dia perlu kita yang son ambil cari juga kasih saya berkoy son hasil bihe ke kupen non nan kan kira tu mata pen ber pen cari lo kurang tu mua aku dikutu dobom lo hanya lagi dikutu mualnya ini hanya mang dikutu kalau masih lagi isi kepulah isi healthy sign isi rong semua tu hentamnya patluhin atau patrang punya ke ini dulu cari son primary school cari dia perlu kita yang son ambil cari juga kasih saya berkoy son hasil bihe ke kupen non nan kan kira tu mata pen ber pen cari lo kurang tu mua aku ang alu cerita dan dobom lu putan ang tu mangke anso sing patu mangke Bom do ini tak kira orang tu jadi penyuang semua tu di pipik lah kan kresi tu lah kita tu dah mesti orang tu kalau sumber sila tu yang si mau kita 19 ni rok ada under 19 pohon putaran tu ke kan ya player kini seman pula lah Dingarong ko, tidak na hang pondok ko anda masuk sport association kan. Kalau tentang infrastruktur kaum jenis sudah kontak di pecah na sport hub mungkin ada kan jangan aku siman po itu ada masih keceng ko sudah kisi dopo lalu si Pravin pen aku pu iskarmen si ke declare yalam do po sudah ada si mungkin sport an mangga kota si mandap ko kan
Macam hujung kan so scheme malam aku kan komentu kan sini kan so scheme kan pancing kon ko.
Betul presiden kan si
Lain mau sih palsu bom lah kita phase wise bom loh. Sudah long konis. Tim misalnya declare lo mati. Tim misalnya declare lo. Non ada district ke pom pelo bom.
KSL Lamdingro Central Committee tumpen DGC principal apan pinpura lo ke pajirda. Aningkan wang tadi fu government college along admission apora hot karbiya rese jang atum HS lapen TDC ang denga long men kache thabdun long ledera joini chesong bom wang bom lo laso kache song nang vera joini arni ke hot pon tanga sonang manlo putara ada tum chethan pon bonta non ke abari ma principal NK Sharma phan tatoy edlo lapen non kimia principal ke karbiya pod se karbiya ang long along karbiya rese jang atum phan an amen che thabdun long lab nang ji la anafisi hong pen ke bang atum phan amen thapon nang ji pujong pon se KSL Central Committee pen DGC principal tado terang piare pinpura lo pajirda bangso pinpura lo pajirda ma hod lamding road kese CEC ame pu Thompson rong pipen se Japon lapen CEC rapchen bang de soiteron di Henry bang long kring ti di food district committee ame pu William Tiso kongchen bang rakes terang pencing lo kese claim bang atum cerap ceto dun renti DGC principal tado terang pe hin pen pinpura lo deng dun sikke jong pona teng pen karbiya risoe jang atum aphan amen ke thapon labja phan lamcha chipi dun di puben Edwinson Hansi report Malong News.
Lahorijana long drugs kene ponlong busik ni paing kora player ni ada bapor malam cerok tok polis sai khiatum drugs ke jor vera bang phu atuma phan Lahorijan T state atowar nat pen Dimapur pen drugs ban bom la pen national highway anat thuke keton kelang dowera joksi kapre atowar pen si drugs ke ban pu Abirta long si khatkhati OC Dilai OC IC Karagaon PP la pen IC Lahorijan atum tame cerok tok pen dosi retarlip damlo anarlo porphai Krehini malam banghini honte memea bang phuatum pene hormu otpondong thekdun longsi banghini atuma phan khangdun check pen kurukdun lo puthot banghini bang phuatum along pen troksi kebra sirkep soba homla pen TG sinedo heroin long polo banghini kene ponong bang phu amen lake Moniton Singh arta thongkebra sirkep apomen Karlitang Bir Singh arong Signal Angami Dimapur, PS, Urban PS, Dimapur, Nagaland. Permanent address, Hojai, Dakhin Bidan Nagar, PS, Notun Bazar. Aduntu, Rohit Singh, Arta, Krisirker, Apomen Moniton Singh, Arong, Signal Angami, Dimapur, PS, Urban, Dimapur, Nagaland. Permanent address, Hojai, Dakhin Bidanagar, PS, Notun Bazar. Labangso Sai Chipari Deng Pon Lake, John Das, APS, SDPO Bokajan, Kacharabdun OC Khatkhati PS SIUB, Raju Deura OC Dilai SIUB, Lutfur Rahman IC Karagaon PP ASI, Arun Kumar Nath IC Lahorijan PP SIUB, Deba Pratim Konwar SIUB, Nitul Saikia Khatkhati PS SIP, Saudam Sargiari Khatkhati PS, C20 CRPF APRG Kem Bokajan Lapen PS Staff Hanjang Sopen Rojip Sonong Pi Report Malong News.
তো আমি গোটেইকেইটা অচি বিলাক কৰিছিলোঁ অচি জিলাৰ কটকটি লাহোৰজান এনেকৈ গোটেই টিভিখিনি এলাট কৰাৰ পিছত প্ৰায় 12টামান বজাত তো লাহোৰজান বাগানৰ পৰা দুজন মানুহ খোজকাঢ়ি আছিলে লগত দুটা বেগ আছিলে বজাৰ কৰা বেগ তো আমি দুইটাকে চাৰ্চ কৰিলোঁ আৰু ইণ্টাৰেষ্টিংলি এইটো বেগৰ ভিতৰত ওপৰত চব্জি আছিলে আৰু ভিতৰটো চাৰ্চ কৰোঁতে আমি 79টা চাবোন বক্স পাইছোঁ য'ত আপোনাৰ এপ্ৰক্সিমেটলি 1 কেজি হেৰইন মজুত আছিলে তো এই কাৰণে দুজন মানুহ আটক কৰা হৈছে এজনৰ নাম মনিটন সিং আৰু এজনৰ নাম ৰোহিত সিং তেওঁলোকৰ প্ৰেজেণ্ট এড্ৰেছ ডিমাপুৰ যদিও পাৰ্মানেণ্ট এড্ৰেছ হোজাই হয় আৰু দুইটা মানে বাপেক পুতেক হয়
ভেলুটো কিমান মান হ'ব
ভেলু ইণ্টাৰনেশ্যনেল ভেলু এপ্ৰক্সিমেটলি 7 crore
কোনে লৈ যাব লাগিছিলে
আমাৰ ফাৰ্ডাৰ ইণ্টাৰভিউশ্যন চলি আছে তো ইণ্টাৰভিউশ্যন গোটেইখিনি ওলাই কৰিব
আৰু আগতো জড়িত আছিল নেকি ড্ৰাগছৰ লগত
এজন শুনামতে শিলিগুৰিটো তেওঁ জেলত গৈছে তো আমি ফাৰ্দাৰ ডিটেইলছটো উলিয়াব ট্ৰাই কৰিম
Nang litum kelang bom lake Malong News 24/7 hampang aparman Abirta.